Omni Aircraft Sales is proud to bring this LEARJET 40XR to market. It is based out of Tulsa, Oklahoma, and is operated under Part 135 regulation. The aircraft is enrolled in an evolved maintenance program, and both Honeywell TFE 73120BR engines are enrolled in MSP. The cockpit features Honeywell Primus 1000 avionics with dual UNS 1EW FMS with WAAS, LPV, and GPS. The aircraft has extended range fuel capacity with the upgraded larger fuel tanks, allowing it to have the same range of a 45XR. Stay connected in the air with the Gogo Biz AVANCE L3 Max Wi-Fi. The aircraft stands out with its fresh 2023 paint and interior refurbishment. No expense has been spared by owner. The exterior features a base of Matterhorn white with Exalta Aztec silver pearl and elite blue accents. The interior is configured with 6 cabin seats and an aft belted lavatory. The new interior features Harlow Luxury Design Tough Collection carpet with high gloss Pamel Sapele woodwork. The soft goods include a China white headliner, Aerodream crosswind pheasant seats, and Avian Sparrow ultra leather side panels. If you're in the market for an exceptionally clean and reliable LEARJET 40XR, give us a call today.